Good evening, dear tutor. What top introduced the company Maderas del Chocó, which was the company select by make taking into account that this company is a world trade and sell it in order to show the damage types of companies due to the nature and global warming. This company contributed to global warming since it is a company dedicated to felling trees in the department of Chocó, taking into account that it is a company that is dedicated to cutting trees book does not carry or reforestation causing an impact on the environment. Therefore, a lawsuit was filed against this company in order for it to be taken off the market or to change its way of acting. Certain industries not continuing to cause damage to the environment. A solution for this might be for the company to create a reforestation project which plant many trees to replace the fellings of them for a tree tax so fight and thus the company on the environment will be much less. Thank you, teacher.